Located in Foshan, Guangdong, China, Foshan Kindle Import and Export Co. Limited, who is headquarters office of Kinlife Group, including production base Foshan Kindle Technology Co. Limited and Guangdong Eco Camper Vehicle Co. Limited. Products range from pontoon boat, fishing boat, caravan, UTE canopy slide in campers and trailer, and OEM metal fabrication products to a series of matching camper products and boat accessories. As our production base, Foshan Kindle Technology Co. Limited and Guangdong Eco Camper Vehicle Co. Limited, which have 37 years experience and covering an area of 40,000 square meters workshop, there is advanced CNC equipment and professional management system. This supplies us smoothly with quality products, making it possible to combine production and trade successfully. Our professional R&D team focusing on products, and they grasp the new international concepts and techniques promptly. They research and develop camping products to reach the demand of different markets. We concentrate on a customer's needs. We pay attention to details and strive to be perfect in all aspects. We aim to become the #1 outdoor brand in China within 5 years. Products are exported to overseas. We guarantee to offer quality products, and customers' satisfaction is our eternal driving force. All our final products before shipment are strongly required to adhere to the standard quality management standard. Moreover, more than 30% of new partners each year are recommended by our regular customers.